Good morning, children, my dear 7th class students. So, we are in the chapter fractions and decimals, exercise 1. In that exercise 1, already we finished that on first Roman. Then, today we will go for second Roman. What is the second Roman? Arrange the following in ascending orders. Arrange the following in ascending orders. In ascending order. Children, there are two problems are there. One problem I will tell you. The second problem you can do it as homework. The first problem is 5 by 8, 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. There are three fractions are there. We want arrange that in ascending order. One is 5 by 8, another 5 by 6, 1 by 2. So all are in, if you observe the fractions, all are in proper fractions only. Why? Because numerator is less than denominators. So whatever it may be, like for a proper or improper fractions, how can you arrange all the fractions? First, you can make it all the fractions convert into like fractions. Then it is easy to say that which is a bigger and which is the smaller. Ascending means from small fractions to bigger fractions is known as, what is that? That is ascending order. Now, how can you arrange? First, make it LCM of 8, 6, 2. What is that 8, 6, 2 LCM? 8, 6, 2. So 8, 6, 2. All three numbers will goes to in second table. So 8, 2 4s 8, 6, 2 3 6, 2 1s. Now see children, 4, 3, 1. Again any two numbers, it won't go in any table. So LCM will be stopped there. So how much is coming? 2 into 4 into LCM is LCM of 3 is equal to 2 into 4 into 3 into 1. 2 into 4 into 3 into 1. 2 4s 8, 8 3s 24, 24 1s 24. So children, so what is that LCM here? 24 is there. So you better to make it all denominators as equal to 24. It becomes like fractions. Okay. Now I am taking each and every fractions, convert that denominators as 24. One is first 5 by 8. So what is the denominator here? 5 by 8. So what is the denominator here? The fraction in fraction 5 by 8. What is the denominator? 8. 8 should convert it as 24. So how you convert it? What number should multiply with 8 to get 24 means 8 3s 24. So what is that? 8 3s 24. Then if you want to make it equivalent fractions, already I told that in theory part, once if you multiply denominator with any number, to make it equivalent, the numerator part also same, multiplied with the same number. That 8 into 3, then what is that? 5 into 3. Now 5 3s are 15 by 24. Next, second one, I will go for the next fraction, 5 by 6. 5 by 6 means you can convert, now the 6 is converted into as 24. What number should multiply the 6 to convert as 24 means to convert as 24 means the 6 4 times, 6 4s are 24. Then 6 should multiply with 4 and 5 is also should multiply that with same number 5. Now 5 4s, what is that? 20 by 6 4s, what is that? 24. Now next problem, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2 has converted into 24. You should multiply with 12. 1 should multiply with 12. 1 12s 12 by 24. Now see here children. What is going on? Here 5 by 8 becomes 15 by 24. 5 by 6 becomes 20 by 24. 1 by 2 becomes 20 by 12 by 24. So here which is small fraction? Small fraction is small denominator. All denominators are equal. which fraction is whatever the small numerator, that is a small fraction. Here numerator means 15, 20, 12. What is the small numerator? 12 is the small numerator. So first 12 by 24. 12 by 24 means what is that? So 1 by 2 is 12 by 24 means 1 by 2 is less than. Next 15 by 24. 15 by 24 means 5 by 8. What is that? 5 by 8. Next the remaining part is 5 by 6. See children. So in ascending orders of this problem is 5 by 8 and 5 by 6 of 1 by 2. What is the ascending order means? First small fraction is 1 by 2. Next small fraction, next somewhat bigger is 5 by 8. Next one big is 5 by 6. This is called ascending order. What is that? Ascending order. AO. AO means ascending order of given fractions. See children, this is the way of expression of ascending order. Now, second problem. Can you understand children? Once I can see there 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. First we make it for all denominators, make it LCM of all denominators. 8, 6, 2. 8, 6, 2. It goes 2 table all are. So in 2 table, 8 will goes 4 times, 6 will goes 3 times, 2 will goes 1 time. Then still it won't go any 2 numbers with same table. So that's why the LCM not moving still more. That means what is that? You should multiply 2 into 4 into 3 into 1. 2 into 4 into 3 into 1. That means 24. 2 4s 8. 8 is 24. 24 ones are. 2 4s are 8. 8 is 24. 24 into 24. Now 5 by 8. So first of all, one fraction I am taking 5 by 8. The 8, the denominator part 8 is there. I want to make it as that. How much you got is that LCM? LCM is 24. The 8 should be converted as 24. What number multiplied with 8 to get 24 means 8 3s are. So if you want to make it equivalent of both numerator and denominator being equivalent fractions of 5 by 8 means both numerator and denominator should multiply with the same number only. If once the denominator multiply with 3, 8 into 3, then 5 is also, the numerator part also should multiply. 5 3s are 15 by 24. Next, here, second fraction 5 by 6. The 6 will be converted into 24. 6 4s are 6 is converted as 24 means 6 should be multiplied with 4. The 5 is also should multiply with 4. Like that you can finish it. So 1 by 2 also same like that one, 12 by 24. So which is the small one? That is the starting one. First 12 by 24 is bigger, small one. Next bigger is 5 by 8, that is 15 by 24, that is 5 by 8. And next last one 5 by 6 is the way. Next children, another problem. So second problem I will give that one is as a homework. Homework is second problem 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10. Do it. This is homework problem. You can do these problems as homework, as practice. Note it. 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10. Next one, third Raman I will go for that. Second Raman is finished and third Raman. What is the third Raman? Third Raman. What is given the third Raman is, so if you have textbooks, once you see that page number 30, one box is given. What is they asking that? Check in the following square whether in this square the sum of the numbers in each row, each column and diagonals as the same. Yes, it is easy children. By seeing your textbook should do that problem. All like fractions are given, rows and columns should add all the fractions of rows, all the fractions of columns is the same, as well as diagonal also to get the same. That one you should do that homework. That is also. Third one is homework. Easy problem that one. You should add and to get it. The fourth one is The third problem is some activity, you can do it. Fourth one is a rectangle sheet of paper 5 2 by 3 centimeters of length and 3 1 by centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. They are asking question. So they are given fourth question. That is fourth question. What is the fourth question? Length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is given. What is that? 5 2 by 3 rectangle sheet. Length of rectangle 5 2 by 3. 5 2 by 3. Next, breadth of rectangle is given. Breadth of rectangle is given. Rectangle sheet is given. Rectangle sheet 5 2 by 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5 is given. What is that? 3 1 by 5. See children, they gave length of fourth problem. Length of rectangle sheet is 5 2 by 3. Breadth of rectangle sheet is 3 1 by 5. Then what is the perimeter of rectangle sheet? Perimeter of the rectangle sheet is, listen here all of you. What is the perimeter of the rectangle formula? Perimeter of rectangle formula. Perimeter of rectangle. Formula is 2 into L plus B. What is that formula? 2 into perimeter of rectangle formula. They are asking to find the perimeter of rectangle sheet. Perimeter of rectangle formula, what is the 2 into L plus B? First of all, see children here. Look at here. 2 into L plus B is given. First you can find out L plus B and then sum of length and breadth. Then it should multiply with 2 to get the perimeter. Now what is given first? First I am multiplying that by adding length and breadth. First L length and breadth. See children, first they gave the length of the rectangle sheet is 5 2 by 3. Breadth of rectangle sheet is 3 1 by 5. Find the perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? As we know the perimeter of the rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. According to that one, first I can find out first L plus B. L plus B is sum of length and breadth. What is the length here? 5 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5. So those two are mixed fractions. I convert into the proper fraction. Mixed fractions are given. So mixed fraction is whole number and proper fraction is given. I will convert in improper fraction. As you know that one already we did some problems in theory part and exercise. In exercise the first one. Now listen here. How you convert it? 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 15 plus 2. 17 by 3. 17 by 3. Once again see that. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2. 17 by 3. Plus 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1. 16 by 5. Once again see that. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2. 17. 17 by 3. Plus 5 3s are 15 plus 1. 16 by 5. Now, if you understand, I want to write some more clearly. That means here 5 into 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 into 3. One more step I write. Plus 1 by 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 2. 17 by 3 plus 5 3s 3 5s are. Then next here we put it 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 15 plus 2. Here 5 into 3 plus 1. How much? 16 by 5. 5 2 by 3. That means 17 by 3. And 5 into 3 plus 1 by 16 by 5. Now listen here. Make it equal fraction. We should add LCM of denominator 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5 won't go any table. So direct multiplication 3 into 5. What is that? 15. 3 into 5 is 15. Now make 17 by 3 means 17 by 3 should make it multiply with 5. Why? Because the denominator part should be multiplied, the denominator part 3 should be changed as 15. So what number should multiply with 3 to get 15 is 3 into 5. And same part, and 17 is also multiplied with what? What is that? 18 by 17 5 85 by 15. 85 by 15. So board is not finished. Next, second one is 16 by 5. The 5 should be multiplied with 3. Why? Because 5 want to become change as 15. What number should multiply the 5 to become 15? Should multiply with 3 only. That 16 also is multiplied that. 48 by 16 3s are 48 by 15. See children, I can rub it from here onwards. Where I want to rub it. See there. Now what you got, that length is 85 by 15 and breadth is, what is that, 48 by 15, got it. Now perimeter is equal to 2 into now we got that L plus B. L plus B is equal to 85 by 15 plus 48 by 15. Same 15. 85 plus 48. How much is then 85 plus 48? 13. 133. 133 by 15. 133 by 15. Now perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. What is that? 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 2 into, what is that L plus B formula? We got it 133 by 15. 133 by 15. That is equal to 132 is, if you want to multiply 2 into 133 by 15 means this is numerator, this is also numerator. 2 into 133 by 15. That is equal to 266 by 15. 266 by 15. Again, that should be changed as into that mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means 266 with 15. 15 ones are 15. Now 1 and 6. 15 sevens are 105. That means 1. That means 266 by 15 means 1711 by 15. This is the perimeter of rectangle sheet. See children, I want the before first of all